Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will show you how to use your PlayStation 4 controller on your phone. First, ensure your PlayStation 4 controller is fully charged to avoid any interruptions during the pairing process. You should also check that your phone's Bluetooth is turned on and ready to discover new devices. Having a full charge ensures a smooth, uninterrupted setup from the very beginning. This initial preparation makes the entire process much simpler for you. Pairing your PlayStation 4 controller to your phone is quite simple through Bluetooth technology. First, press and hold the PlayStation button and the share button on your controller at the same time. Continue holding until the light bar starts flashing rapidly, indicating it is in pairing mode. Then, open your phone's Bluetooth settings and select DualShock 4 wireless controller from the list of available devices. Once connected, the controller's light bar will turn solid blue, confirming a successful pairing with your phone, ready for action. After pairing, open a compatible game or an app that supports controllers on your phone to test the connection right away. If you encounter any connection issues, a good first step is to unpair the controller from your phone and then repeat the pairing process. Always ensure your phone and controller are within a short distance, typically within 10 meters, for the best Bluetooth signal. Occasionally, a quick phone restart can resolve minor connectivity glitches, setting everything right. Once connected, you will find that many mobile games and even streaming services offer excellent support for external controllers. Look for titles that specifically advertise controller compatibility to ensure the best possible gaming experience. Additionally, several emulators and cloud gaming platforms work seamlessly with your PlayStation 4 controller, expanding your play options. Using a controller significantly enhances precision and comfort, making those extended gaming sessions on your phone much more enjoyable and immersive for you.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.